Gutters sagging under the weight of debris can seriously mess up your home's drainage and cause big headaches if you don't fix it fast. Okay, so first off, keep those gutters clean, like all year round. Leaves, sticks, and dirt pile up way quicker than you'd think, especially after storms or in fall. Use a sturdy ladder and scoop out the junk with gloves or a gutter scoop, and just don't rush it or you'll miss spots. Next, check the hangers that hold the gutters up. If they're old or weak, swap them out for stronger, rust-proof ones that can handle heavy loads. You can also add extra hangers along longer stretches of gutter to help distribute the weight better. Make sure the gutters are sloped right so water flows smoothly toward the downspouts instead of piling up and causing sagging. If your gutters are super old or warped, replacing them with more durable materials like aluminum or copper might be worth it. And don't forget to clear out the downspouts too. A clogged downspout means water backs up and puts even more strain on your gutters. Finally, think about installing gutter guards to keep most debris out and save yourself time on cleaning. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is ignoring sagging gutters until they start leaking or pulling away from the house. Regular inspections stop this. Another common problem is using cheap or flimsy hangers that bend or break under pressure. Upgrading to stronger hangers fixes this for good. Lastly, people often forget to check the gutter pitch, which leads to standing water and sagging. Adjusting the slope ensures water moves properly and prevents damage. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about gutter repair and maintenance. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their skills, making it easier to get quality work done without the stress,